Hi team, in this video we are going to see how you can debug your AMDP procedure or AMDP function. Both are similar, there is no difference. Okay, so we will be using the same program which we are using throughout this series. In this report we are calling one AMDP method and displaying the output. Okay, and in the AMDP procedure we are selecting one variable and then using it in another query. Let's see how we can debug this. Let's try putting a breakpoint here first. Suppose I put the breakpoint here and execute this report. And if I press F5, let's see what happens. Can we see this variable? LV seat max. See, we cannot select, we cannot see what is the value inside this variable. So this will not work, right? Let's try something else. Let's try putting breakpoint inside our ANA Studio. Let's see, if I double click here, I can place a breakpoint here, or if I press right click, I can toggle the breakpoint. Okay, so it is removed now and it is added now. Now if I run the method again, let's see what happens. See, yes, we need to switch to debug perspective. There are two perspectives. Mainly we used ABAP and debug. You can see here ABAP and debug. Okay, so if now we can double click to this variable. Let's see, can we find any value? No, because it is not executed yet. So if I press this step over button F6, let's see if we get any value or not. Yes, we are getting a value 475. If I want to execute, I can do this F8 or resume button. So yes, we are getting the correct value 475. So this is the way you can debug. This was a very simple example, so you can understand and use whenever you require. The same way we debug in ABAP, same way we can debug here also.